Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the assignment operators in detail. So, what is assignment operator and when to use the assignment operator? When you want to assign a value to a variable, we use the assignment operator. The variable always comes to the left side of the operator and the value which needs to be assigned always comes to the right side of the operator. As of now in Python, we have 7 different assignment operators. Now, we will look into an example to have a better understanding of how this assignment operator works. First, we will start with the equal to sign, which is nothing but an assignment operator. In this example, we are assigning a value phi to the variable a with the use of equal to sign, an assignment operator. If we run this piece of code, the Python interpreter will assign the value phi to the variable a. And if we print the variable a, the output should be phi. Let's check this out. And yes, it is. The next example is add and assign. I'm just copying the print statement, guys, to just save a couple of minutes. So, in this example, we are assigning a value phi to the variable called AA, and we are performing an addition operation. Just nothing but we are adding a value 2 to the same variable AA, and we are assigning back the output to the same variable AA. In our case, we are assigning the value phi to the variable AA in the first part, and in the second part we are adding 2, the value 2 to the variable AA and assigning back the result 7 to the variable AA. If we run this program, the Python interpreter should assign value 7 to the variable AA. Let's check this out. And yes, it is. Next is subtract and assign. So in this example, we are assigned a value phi to the variable ss, and we are subtracting value 2 from the variable ss and assigning the final output to the same variable ss. If we run this program, the Python interpreter should display the output as 3, which is phi minus 2. Let's check this out. Yep. Expected result 3 has been displayed. Next is multiply and assign. In this example, we are assigning a value phi to the variable mm, and then we are multiplying the variable mm with the value 2 and assigning back the output to the same variable mm. If we run this program, the Python interpreter should display the output as 10, which is from multiplying phi and 2. Phi into 2, 10. The final output has been assigned to the variable mm. Let's check this out. And yes, the final output is 10. Next is divide and assign. In this example, we are assigning a value phi to the variable dd and then we are dividing the variable dd with the value 2 and assigning back the output to the same variable dd. So if we run this program, the Python interpreter will display the output as 2.5, which is 5 divided by 2, and the result is 2.5 is assigned back to the same variable dd. Let's check this out. And yes, the final output 2.5 has been assigned to the variable dd. Next is modulus unassign. In this example, we are assigning value 5 to the variable mo, and we are trying to find a mod of mo by 2 and assigning back the output to the same variable mo. If we run this program, the Python interpreter should display the output as 1. It's nothing but 5 mod of 2, just 1, and 1 is assigned back to the variable mo. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, the expected result has been displayed. The final one is exponential unassign. In this example, we are assigning a value 5 to the variable ee, and we are trying to find the exponents power 2 of the same variable ee and assigning back the output to the same variable ee. So if we run this program, the Python interpreter will display the output as 25, which is 5 exponents of 2. The output is 25 and it is assigned back to the variable ee. Let's run the program and check this out. The final result 25 displayed as expected. So when you want to assign a value to the variable, we use the assignment operator, and we can use in different combinations. So the variable always comes to the left side of the operator, and the value which needs to be assigned always comes to the right side of the operator. Hope you guys understood how assignment operator works and when to use them. See you guys in the next video.